Hello everybody, and welcome to Shot Tactics. In today's episode, we're going to talk about why it is important to always play through to the very end of the game. In this particular game, I had just gotten out, was very tired, fighting some exhaustion, but the game was about over, so I figured, what the hey, let's go for it. And you know what? It turned out to work out pretty good for me in my favor, so let's check it out.
Alright, pick it back up. I am. I'm tired. Shit, this is on full auto somehow. I get you right there.
Wow, talk about intense. And that right there is why you always push through to the end. Good things happen when you keep trying. Keep on trying, folks. But as you can see, we're all good sports about it. We had a nice laugh about it at the end of the game.
I think I shot you right at the end. Oh no.
Did I seriously not hit you at all? I was spraying
I was like down under all this grass and stuff.
No, I saw them. They were going right into the grass. I saw you.
I just came up there, right there at the end, but I had been over by that spindle like the whole time before that. Somebody finally got me.
Alright, that about does it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I had a good time. Definitely learned. Always keep playing to the end of the game. I hope you guys learned that as well. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Be sure and subscribe for more great stuff right here on Shot Tactics.